Welcome back, everyone. Today we're tackling the pressing question, is IPTV down right now? Many of us rely on IPTV for our daily entertainment, so issues can be frustrating. Before jumping to conclusions, let's understand what could be happening behind the scenes. Sometimes the problem may lie with the IPTV service provider itself, undergoing maintenance. Other times it might be just your internet connection causing the interruptions. Let's check that. You can perform a quick speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable. If everything appears fine, it's time to check for potential outages with your provider. Many IPTV services have official websites or social media pages for live updates. Besides checking for outages, troubleshooting your IPTV device may also help restore service. Restarting your device or reinstalling the IPTV application can often yield quick results. You should also consider the quality of your IPTV provider to avoid such problems. For a smooth streaming experience, I recommend checking out www.2tv.store for reliable service. With their excellent customer service and quality programming, they stand out among competitors. Wrapping up, outages can be frustrating, but now you're armed with solutions. Remember to regularly check your device and provider for updates and service interruptions. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips on all things IPTV. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.